So excited to be here today at the 2025 open house. We literally had people lining up at the door before they even opened. We've had a wonderful group of folks coming through constantly here, kids, parents, grandkids. Love to see it. They're full of curiosity. It's just been a wonderful experience for everyone.
I'm Reese Barrett. I am a PhD student in the School of Oceanography here at UW, and I'm a board member of Students Explore Aquatic Sciences, which is SEAS, the organization that put on this event. And yeah, open house is one of the most fun days to be an aquatic scientist here at UW. It's so cool to get to share our work with everybody that comes in and get to talk to kids about what they're interested in and how that relates to what we do. It sparked future career ideas for them. So it's really rewarding to get to show off all of this awesome work that happens here at the university. One of the other really awesome things about open house is how it brings a lot of departments that are involved in aquatic sciences across the university together. So I'm in oceanography. We're here in SAFS, the School of Aquatic and Fishery Science. And I know a lot of other people who are studying things like biology and marine biology, and people who are working at NOAA and with Washington Sea Grants that all get to come here and share the projects that we work on and the kind of science that we do with everyone.
Can't wait to see everyone next year for this same event. See you then.